morning. Today it is 6/9/2025 and the time is roughly around 12:30 and we are ready for a major astro event, combination cycles, seasonality, everything is happening on 8th and 9th. Actually the 7th is the lunar eclipse, but it's happening in the night, so the effect will be on 8th of September, and again combination cyclic is happening on 9th of September, and again 7th is already having an astro event. So lot of 6th is having an astro event, so two astro event combined with many cycles based on the seasonality. So 8th is going to be a major event when it comes to Indian market, and 6th, which is today, the mega date actually for cryptos. So today's high and low is very crucial for cryptos. And again I'm telling you, and this lunar eclipse is very auspicious, and you can do a lot of rituals for your ancestors, those who passed away, and because they are there here to bless you always, and they want to see you happy all the time. So do little bit of rituals for them, go to temple, do little bit of prayers, close your eyes, show gratitude to them. So all these kind of things is going to help you in a very big way, to move, your thing forward. So without their blessings, we are actually nothing. So take the blessings from them, and market will show you the better way to make better profit. Now let's go to the weekly forecast webinar. Nothing changed when compared to last week. Again, it is literally moving here and there, but there is no confirmed trend as of now. Mercury has done little bit of work, but still again a lot of consolidation happening. Again, Nifty is not moving above the 20 SMA, which is the green color line. Again, it is getting rejected, and lot of little bit of convergence is happening here. So above this it is bullish, below this it is bearish, and we are heading towards the 200-day SMA. Okay, and coming to pitchfork, again we say very clearly, till it is not going to break this green color line, we are heading for this the median line with the Gann angle support, which is roughly around 24,000 level. And coming to Ichimoku, beautiful, it is fortune signals is giving a Sangamam here, and that is why the movement is happening, but it is not unable to cross above this cloud. So, and it is forming now clear cut of consolidation. So whenever it goes back and touches this, it will again reject, and we will wait for this date, which is 10th October 2025. And coming to Fibonacci, and again we are at 0.618, and possibility that we may head towards this area, which is again 24,000 level. Okay, so unless and until we are not going to go above 0.786, we are heading towards this level, and more or less the Gann support is here, and the date is roughly around the time cycle based on the Gann angle is roughly around 9th of September, and predominantly we may make a bottom on here. It is 14th of October, where it is crossover based on the Gann angle, as well as we are heading towards that 0.05, which is 50% from the top. Okay, now let's go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty definitely looking extremely weak when compared to Nifty. Now it is below 20, 50, 100, and now we are heading towards this 200 level. So Bank Nifty is extremely weak. And coming to Pitchfork, again it is able to sustain this line, but eventually if it is not breaking this green color line, it will come back here, which is roughly around 52,400 level. Again another 1,600 points, or even roughly around 2,000 points on the downside. And coming to this one, Ichimoku, again flat line, and it is started descending. So now it is very difficult for Bank Nifty to go up. But one thing is, if it holds this candle low based on the fortune signals, and if it holds this candle low based on price time square, the bottom is done. the bottom is done. This is based on fortune signals and this is based on price time square. So if it holds this candle low on a closing basis, the market will head higher, but eventually I think it will go below because it has broken the POB level also. So now first target, second target and third target. Predominantly I think it may come back here to this target, and I have already given you the date also, when possible that it may even come down to this level or it may even go and hit this level. It may be on 18th of September, and again 10th October will be very crucial for Bank Nifty. 10th October to 17th October, this area is going to be very crucial. But if it takes the bottom here somewhere, maybe here or here, eventually we'll try to move up. Sudden spike will be there till up to 30th of October. So now let's wait for the 10th to 17th October and see how market is going to plan out. And coming to Fibonacci, again 0.382. So now eventually we'll go and try to touch this area, which is 52,645 level. Now coming to fortune signals, so now again the 15 minutes G cell is still intact in 15 minutes in Nifty. Until now there is no buy, and it gave a fake buy. It is a fake buy. So simply mark this candle high, this candle low. Once any candle close below, go short here, and stop loss. And stop loss is this candle high. So now unless and until any candle doesn't close above this candle high, it is going to be bearish only. Now when it comes to Bank Nifty, again a fake G buy, and again mark the candle high and low. So now you can go short below this level, and the stop loss is here, this candle high. So it has given a once it retraces back to that level, you can go short here, and then you can enjoy the fall. So now even in 15 minutes it is not in buy, and 1 hour and all it is already in bearish. So there is no question of buying this market. And the 1 hour sell came around 56,000. So as of now 2,000 points down in Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty, this is more or less genuine buy, and again it is in sell. So now till it is in sell. So now let's go and talk about BTC USD. So now let's come to daily. It broke the daily, and this is the magical candle. So none of the candle closed above the magical candle, none of the candle closed below the magical candle. So this is going to be a sideways movement till it is not going to break this candle high and low. So it is going to be within this level. If it is not going to cross this magical candle high or magical candle low, if it breaks, more problem. If it goes up, most probably it will try to go and reject somewhere here. But today is very crucial day for the market, and the market is doing nothing with a very small candle. We have another so many hours to go, but pray for today's candle to be very small, so that you will get a phenomenal move on the market. And when it comes to 15 minutes, it is in sell as of now. When it comes to 1 hour, as of now it is exactly at the support and struggling here, and possibility if it breaks this low, we may go to the recent level. And if you go to the cyclic line, it's very simple thing which is doing a mega wonder here. So now if I take the cyclic line, and if I mark anything, let's take even this high to this low, you can even keep that also. So now if you go here, okay, I mark the high and I mark the low. So now let's go and see the output, what happened. Okay, now this is the output candle. So now simply mark that candle high and low. Now if you go here, So this is the candle high and low which I marked, and below that level, but it has not given a retracement. So below that level, as of now, a simple cyclic line has given roughly around sorry, it has given 2000 points, 2300 points. So now next cycle is coming today around 345, 342 to 345. Today evening 342 to 345. Simply 3 minutes candle. Watch out for this candle. But today, Saturday, Sunday, normally there won't be any volume. But positional player, mark today's high and low and enjoy the trend. And two index was looking extremely good, and we talked about metals for a very long time. We said metals will do wonder in 2025, and the metals was really rocking. And if you take let's go to that fortune signals, and if you go to metals, because metals this year belongs to metals, so this is the only index which is doing extremely well when it comes to market. And other one is, I think, consumption or service. This one is doing extremely well, consumption story, but all other indices are really having a problem. So these two index is looking good, but other index literally facing some problem. Now let's go to the number game. Okay, so now we already said that this is going to be a crucial date, and 8th is going to be the effect date, and 9th is going to be the cyclic date. So tomorrow, that is Monday and Tuesday, is going to be very crucial. First 15 minutes high and low will do the needful, so kindly use these dates. So now coming to weekly number, I will give you the weekly number tomorrow in the market hour. And again, this is going to be the monthly range calculation, and this is going to be the weekly range calculation, and this I have already talked about. And Monday we have two combination cycle. One is in Nifty at 130 to 135, and one is in Bank Nifty at 250 to 255. Combo time, and Bank Nifty converged. Be ready for 750 to 1000 points in a single day, the next 2 days time, and it is still intact for Monday. So 11th August is again still holding, and 12th mother candle is also holding. So break below, big problem may come for our Indian market. Now let's go to the numbers. So now this is in green and this is in green. Market closed above these two numbers, but the positional long only above this number. Till this number is bearish, it is sell on rise market only. Unless and until it is not going and closing, and this number above, the market is not closing above, the Nifty future is not closing above this number, it is bearish and sell on rise. Again, if the market is going to turn completely bullish, then this number has to be achieved. It has to close above this number for a major positional long in Nifty. Till that time, it is going to be sell on rise market only. But as of now, for this week, this is the number which we are going to concentrate, and this is the number which we are going to concentrate. Break above bullish, break below bearish. Very simple. Two numbers will do the wonder, and the difference is roughly around 140 points or 130 points. Okay, and for the spot, we have all the numbers here. I think you can do that. I think spot, I have not changed it. Okay, I'll change the number and send it to you. And when it comes to Bank Nifty future, again, two numbers, still it is in convergence, and this number still is in red. So now, till it holds this number, which is the lowest number of these three numbers, you can add even that number also here, 54,280. Okay, so now this is the number which you are going to concentrate. Till it holds this number, you don't need to worry about it, but it has to cross above this number for bullish. Otherwise, every time it is sell on rise market. So now if it breaks below this number, go short, keeping a stop loss of 144 points from this number, not this number. From this number you need to go. The stop loss is 144 points from this number. Okay, and ignore this. I have not changed it by mistake. I will send it to you, in the Telegram group as well as to my members. Okay, that's all. Nothing more to add in this. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework and consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you on Monday morning. Monday we have a lot of rituals to perform for my ancestors. So till up to 10:30 I'm available. After that, we have a lot of rituals to be performed. So maybe after 2:30 again I will join you on Monday to trade. Okay, till that time, bye.